So let us look at the rule, the difference of square rule. If I have x minus y multiplied by x plus y, I can now use FOIL to prove a new rule, actually called the difference of square rule. According to FOIL, the first product will come from the first times first, which will be x squared, right? And the last times last will be minus y times y, which is minus y squared. Minus y squared. And then you have to do the inner and the outer in your mind. So the inner will give you minus yx. And the outer will give you plus yx or xy. Minus xy and plus xy equal what? 0. So they will cancel each other, and that's why there is no more terms to write, and that's why the answer at the end will be x squared minus y squared. That's it. So this is a rule itself. That's a rule itself. It's called the difference. It's called the difference of squares rule. And how I proved it? I just proved it with a FOIL multiplication, or with any multiplication actually. So why is it called a difference of square? Because this minus means a difference. And the squares are x squared and y squared. So it's like a minus between x squared and y squared. Usually you can write it like this. This x squared minus y squared. So now you have a difference between x squared and y squared. Difference of square. You don't have to memorize the rule, but it's really very, very useful when in factoring. Yani in multiplication, it's okay. You can just multiply and come up with the answer. But when you factor, because usually what will happen is I'm going to give you x squared minus y squared. It's very famous. And I ask you to factor this. So when I ask you to factor this, you should give me x minus y, x plus y. So that's why if you don't memorize the rule now, you will have to memorize it when we come to factoring. So it's good to know about it from now. Usually, the main benefit of this is that usually I give you x squared minus y squared, ask you to factorize this. So you should give me this as a result.
You cannot factor if you said the other one?
It's how? No, you have to know how to factorize this.